This video might get me canceled, but here are 7 uncomfortable truths that people learn too late in life. Number 1, the government can't save you. Whether you succeed or not in this life depends 100% on you. No matter who the president is, your life and your success is in your hands. Number 2, A and B students end up working for college dropouts. The highest paid individuals in the world are paid based on their ability to think on their own and break the rules, not follow them. Number 3, happiness is overrated. In a moment's notice, happiness can leave you. Yet, why is it that most people do everything in their life to try to be happier? Instead, you should focus on things that you can control, like being healthy or being a kind person. Number 4, college, for most people, is a scam. Let me explain. If you have to go into debt for 20 years of your life, then it's not worth it. Think twice before making one of the largest investments in your whole life for something that isn't even guaranteed to pay you back. Number 5, money isn't real. Did you know that if 5% of people that have a bank account went into the bank and tried to take their money out, the banking system would entirely collapse? Isn't that strange? Number 6, having a passion is overrated. When I was young growing up, I was always jealous of people who seem to have found their passion early on in life. Think about musicians or athletes, etc., etc. Once I stopped striving to find my passion and instead just focused on being the best person that I could be, things finally clicked. And number 7, our existence is minuscule and inconsequential. To some, this might be scary, but the truth is, this is one of the most powerful and freeing things that you can ever learn in life.